Buenos dias, amigos. In this video, I will show you how to buy and send Bitcoin using Strike. First, you can navigate to the strike.me website, www.strike.me, or go to your App Store or Google Play Store to download the mobile application. Once you have downloaded the app, it will ask you to sign up or log in. If you're a new user, press sign up and complete the necessary KYC questions. This will only take a few minutes. I have already done this on my account, so feel free to pause the video here and continue when you have completed the sign up phase. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen and press the cash button. From here, you can now deposit dollars or euros to your account. You can also choose to immediately buy Bitcoin when the money is received. I have already deposited 100 euros to my account and will show you now how to buy Bitcoins with it. Now again, from the bottom of the page, choose Bitcoin and press the buy button. You can see that I am purchasing 100 euros worth of Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin price is currently at 96k euros. Each Bitcoin can be divided into 100 million units, which are called Satoshis. So you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, you can buy a portion of it. Once I have confirmed the purchase, the Bitcoins arrive to my Strike account. As you can see, I now have 0.0010223 Bitcoins, which translates to 102,283 Satoshis. Now I can proceed to sending the Bitcoins that I just bought. Press the send button on the screen, choose Bitcoin wallet, and scan the QR code of the recipient. Now I can choose how much Bitcoin I'm going to send. I'm going to choose the maximum amount that I just purchased, which is 102,283 Satoshis. The app now asks me to choose the delivery time. I have three options: priority, standard, and flexible. If I'm not in a hurry with the transaction, I can choose flexible or standard. If I'm in a rush, I would choose priority. In this demo, I will choose the standard. After pressing next, the app asks me who I'm sending this to. This screen might not appear to you as this is a new European Union regulation. In this case, I choose myself as I'm sending Bitcoin to my own wallet. After pressing next, I can see the transaction details, and after I press confirm, the transaction is sent. Now my Strike app has 0 Bitcoin balance, and the payment was sent to the recipient. Thank you for watching, and any questions, feel free to contact me or Kevin, and we will try our best to help you out.